Hi there, welcome to the next class of fluid mechanics and hydraulic machines. In the last class I started problems on stream function and velocity potential function, and in this class also I'll be solving some more problems on stream function and velocity potential function. So if you remember, what are the formulas of stream function? U is equals to, what is stream function? Stream function is denoted by psi. This symbol is called as psi, P is psi, where P is silent. So what is the formula for stream function? U is equals to minus dou psi by dou y, and V is equals to dou psi by dou x. And what are the formulas of velocity potential function? Velocity potential function is denoted by phi, that is phi phi. And what are the formulas? U is equals to minus dou phi by dou x, V is equals to minus dou phi by dou y, and W is equals to minus dou phi by dou z. So there are three types of problems which are possible based on these formulas. The first type of problem, which we have already solved in the last class, that is psi will be given in the question and you have to find out u and v. So that's quite simple. Just you have to partially differentiate it and you will get the values of u and v. Similarly, phi will be given in the question and you have to find out u, v and w. So that's also quite simple. Directly partially differentiating those equations, we will be getting these values, these corresponding values. The next type of question which can be asked is phi will, either of these two will be given, either psi will be given in the question and you have to find out u. For instance, psi is given in the question, okay, and you have to find out the value of u. So u is equals to, we know the formula of u, that is u is equals to minus dou psi by dou y. What we would be doing is we will be separating the variables. U into dou y is equals to minus dou psi. So when I integrate this, I can send this minus to the other side, so u into dou y. So what would happen? You will get integral dou psi will be psi. So that's what it is called as variable separable method, which we will be using while solving these type of problems. And the next type of question which is possible is psi will be given in the question and you have to find out phi. Okay, so once we got the value of u from psi, we can substitute this value here in this equation and we will get these corresponding values. So once I start explaining those problems, you will be able to understand in a clear way. So I will read out the next question. If for a two-dimensional flow, the velocity potential function is given by phi is equals to x into 2y minus 1. Okay, this question has been asked in the previous papers as well for 5 marks, and these questions are very important. The problems on velocity potential function and stream functions are very important, and frequently these type of problems have been asked in the final exams as far as Osmania University syllabus is concerned. So if for a two-dimensional flow, the velocity potential function is given by phi is equals to x into 2y minus 1. Determine the velocity at point P 4, 5, which this we have already done in the last class, and we have to do this again in this problem, and also determine the stream function psi, and we haven't done this type of thing where phi is given and you have to find out psi. Okay, just see the question carefully. And what has been given in the question? If for a two-dimensional flow, the velocity potential function phi is given in the question. So given phi is given in the question, phi is equals to x into 2y minus 1. So if I open this bracket, so what it would become? 2xy minus x. And what else is given? P 0.4, 5 is also given in the question. Okay. First step of the problem is determine the velocity at point 4, 5. So phi is given, you have to find out velocities. So what is the formula of velocity? U, when phi is given, u is equals to minus dou phi by dou x, and v is equals to minus dou phi by dou y. Okay, see, phi is given, I am using the formulas of phi. If psi would have been given in the question, I would have used psi formulas. Okay, those corresponding phi formulas which I gave you in the last class, only those formulas we will be using for solving this problem. Rest is differentiation and integration. So it's quite simple. So I have to find out the velocity, so that's why I am using these formulas. So u is equals to minus dou by dou x into phi value has been given. Okay, what is phi? 2xy minus x. So partially differentiating with respect to x means y will become constant. So minus, so dou by dou x of x is 1. So what's remaining? 2y Again, dou by dou x of x is 1. So 2y minus 1. So u is equals to minus, if you send it inside, it will become minus 2y plus 1. Okay. Similarly, you can find out this v value. So v is equals to minus dou by dou y of phi. Okay, so phi is 2xy minus x. So the minus, partially differentiating with respect to y means x will be constant. So dou by dou y of y is 1. So what's remaining? 2x, and dou by dou y of x will become 0 because this is partial differentiation. Okay, so what is the value of v? V is equals to minus 2x. So one point has been given 4, 5, which means x is 4 and y is 5. So I can find out at p 4, 5, x is 4, y is 5. And what will be the value of u now? So minus 2 into, what is y? 5. 2 into 5 plus 1. So minus 10 plus 1 is minus 9 meters per second. If we take SI units of velocity, that is meters per second. Next, v is minus 2x. So minus 2 into, what is x given in the question? 4. So that is minus 8 meters per second. You can also find out resultant velocity. So resultant velocity is equals to under root of u square plus v square. So that's under root of 9 square plus 8 square. You can find out this value in the calculator, and that's coming out to be 12.04. Okay, 12.04 meter per second. So that's the first half problem, where you have to find out velocity at point 4, 5. The second part of the problem is also determine the stream function and velocity potential function at that point. Sorry, also determine stream function at that point. Velocity potential function phi has been given, you have to find out psi. Okay, phi has been given, you have to find out psi. See this type of problem. So in order to find out psi, I am finding psi now. Finding psi. Okay, what are the formulas of psi? U is equals to minus dou psi by dou y, and V is equals to dou psi by dou x. Okay, I have this U here, which I got it from this formula. So U is equals to minus 2y plus 1. I can substitute that here. So minus 2y plus 1 is equals to minus dou psi by dou y. And I also got the value of V, which is minus 2x. So minus 2x is equals to dou psi by dou x. Okay, so I have to find out psi from this. So first thing I'll be doing is I have to remove this minus. So what I am doing is I am taking minus common on LHS and RHS. So this minus and this minus gets cancelled. So you have dou psi by dou y is equals to 2y minus 1. So I can separate the variables, which is called as variable separable method. So that I can find out the value of psi. So dou psi is equals to 2y minus 1 into dou y. Next we have to integrate both sides. So integrating both sides, integral dou psi is equals to integral 2y minus 1 into dou y. So what is integral dou psi? Integral dou psi is psi, and integration with respect to y. So 2 into this will become integration of x, we know that x square by 2. So integration of y with respect to y is y square by 2. And integration of 1 with respect to y, it is y. Okay. So this 2, and you will also get the constant of integration, so c. So this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. So phi is equals to y square minus y plus c. So we'll also have to find out the value of this constant c. So we can see that we have not used this part till now. So we will be using this part to find out this value constant c. Okay. So finding the value of constant c. Okay. So we got psi is equals to y square minus y plus c. So we will take as equation 1. So we have to find out the value of c as well, that is constant of integration. In order to find out the constant of integration, I will be differentiating this equation with respect to x. So see what will happen. Differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. So what would I get? Dou psi by dou x, and dou is equals to dou by dou x of the right hand side, y square minus y plus c. So dou psi by dou x is equals to partial differentiation with respect to x means y will be constant. So this term will become 0 and this constant will be remaining. So that is constant of integration, but this could be a function of y or x. So that's why we cannot put it as 0 here. Okay. So we are finding that c value here. Now in order to find out this c value, we have this value dou psi by dou x. So this dou psi by dou x value is minus 2x. This part which we haven't used till now. So now we are using that part. So we know that dou psi by dou x, we will take this as equation 2 is equals to minus 2x from equation 2. Okay, so that we are substituting here. So minus 2x is equals to dou c by dou x. Okay, so now I have to find out the constant of integration c. So dou c is equals to minus 2x into dou x. So I have to integrate both sides. Now integrating both sides, integral dou c is equals to integral minus 2x into dou x. So integral dou c is c. C is equals to integration of x is x square by 2. So 2 into x square by 2. So 2 gets cancelled. C is equals to minus x square. You can substitute this c is equals to minus x square in equation 1. Substitute in equation 1, we will get the complete value of psi y square minus y minus x square. You have to find out this at point p 4 comma 5. 4 comma 5 is given in the question. So at p 4 comma 5, which means x is 4 and y is 5, what this equation will become? So y square is 5 square minus 5 minus 4 square. So you can find out this value in the calculator, and that's coming out to be 4 units. Okay, 4 units. Okay. Okay, so I'll be taking the next type of question. Okay, so the next question is, the stream function for a two-dimensional flow is given by, I am just writing down the given data. This question is on page number 187. So stream function has been given in the question. Given psi is equals to 2xy. Calculate the velocity at point p2 comma 3, and this point p2 comma 3 is given in the question. You have to find out velocity potential function and velocity. Okay, first we will find out velocities. So psi is given, we have the formulas of velocities. U is equals to minus dou psi by dou y is equals to minus dou by dou y of psi has been given in the question, that is 2xy. So when you are partial differentiating with respect to y, so what this would become? Minus 2x. Similarly, you can find out v. V is equals to minus dou psi by dou x, so that is dou by dou x of this value has been given in the question, 2xy. So I am partially differentiating with respect to x, so x will become 1, so what's remaining? 2y. So we got u and v. Once we get this u and v, we can substitute this point 2 comma 3. So at p 2 comma 3, x is 2, y is 3. So what is u now? U is equals to minus 2 into x is 2. So minus 2x we got, so minus 2 into 2, so minus 4 meters per second. Similarly, we can find out v. V is equals to 2y, so 2 into y has been given as 3, so 2 3s are 6 meters per second. You can also find out resultant velocity. Resultant velocity is equals to under root of u square plus v square, so 4 square plus 6 square. So you can find out this value in the calculator, and that's coming out to be 7.21 meters per second. Okay, so that's the first half of the question. The second half, psi is given, you have to find out phi. So finding phi. Okay, what are the formulas of phi? U is equals to minus dou phi by dou x, and v is equals to minus dou phi by dou y. We got the value of u. U is what? Minus 2x. So minus 2x is equals to minus dou phi by dou x. We also got the value of v. What is v? 2y. So 2y is equals to minus dou phi by dou y. Okay, so we have to find out phi from this. So we have to use this minus, and this minus gets cancelled. So we have 2 dou phi by dou x is equals to 2x. Now we can apply variable separable method. So sending this dou x on the other side, so dou phi is equals to 2x into dou x. Now integrating both sides. So integral dou phi is equals to integral 2x into dou x. So what is integral dou phi now? Integral dou phi is phi is equals to integral 2x is 2 into x square by 2 plus constant of integration, 2 gets cancelled, phi is equals to x square plus c. This is my equation number 1, and this is my equation number 2, which I haven't used till now. So in order to find out this constant c, we will be using this again. Okay, so in order to find out this constant c, I have to differentiate with respect to, because I have to use this, so with respect to y. So that is partially differentiate. Okay, so we will be getting dou phi by dou y. On the right side also you have to partially differentiate with respect to y. So x square plus c. Okay, so what is dou phi by dou y? What is the value of dou phi by dou y? You have to send this minus to the other side. So the value of dou phi by dou y is minus 2y. So here we will be having minus 2y. Now partial differentiation with respect to y means x will be constant, so this term will become 0, and what's remaining? Dou psi by dou y. So this dou c by dou y. So you have to find out this value of c. So I am again separating the variables. So you will get dou c is equals to minus 2y into dou y. So integrating both sides, so integral dou c is equals to integral minus 2y into dou y. So integral dou c is c, integral 2y is minus 2 into y square by 2. 2 gets cancelled, so c value is minus y square. So you can substitute this c in equation, this we can take as equation number 1. Okay, equation number 1. So substitute in equation 1. So what is the phi now? X square plus c is what? Minus y square. So at p value is given in the question, p is given as 2, 3. So at 2, 3, so phi is equals to x is 2 and y is 3. So 2 square minus 3 square, so that is 4 minus 9, that is minus 5 units. Okay, so these questions have been asked in the previous exams as well for 5 marks. It's quite simple. You should have only the basic knowledge of integration and differentiation, and you should know these respective formulas. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you everyone.